Hello YouTube, I am going to be doing a review today on this Safety First product. It is one of my favorite child safety products I have bought. It's great for when you have toddlers that can reach up to a counter height. And if you have a stove like mine shown here with front knobs. I'm going to show you how to use it and tell you a little bit about why I like it so much. Alright, now if you have a stove that is similar to mine that has the knobs down low, you're going to need something so that your kids do not accidentally turn the gas on or turn the electric range on and doing that without you noticing. So these Safety First products are super easy to use, which is why I like them. We bought a 5-pack on Amazon. You can check the link below, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. So we just have these knobs that pull right off. You literally just yank it out of there, and if you can see, there is a little button on the side that if you press in, it just comes open. So once you open it, you just set it in front of where the knob would go, line up the knob, push it on, and then it's literally installed. And it can just hang like this while you're using it, and when you're done, you push it shut. And during the day, this is how the knob should look. And as soon as you want to use it, it's a one-hand, like I said, super easy to control, and you just open it up and you can turn the stove on like so, and then when you're done you close it. Super easy to use. My kids never even messed with these things, and I was not worried that when they walked by or were running by screaming and carrying on, as you know is going to happen, they didn't accidentally bump my knobs and turn the gas on. So, like I said, thumbs up product. The brand is Safety First. Check out the link below in the description, and that will lead you right to where you need to go to order you some. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. See you later.